welcome to my channel. So I just woke up and for today's video I decided to do a day in my life. So Too Faced has finally opened up in Delhi, so mom and I wanted to go to Too Faced and buy some stuff. So yeah, I'll be showing you around, and now let's get into the video. So now I'm just gonna go and freshen up and do my morning skincare and just start the day. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do in the morning is to drink lots and lots of water. So yeah, and can you just appreciate my sleeping mask? I think it's so cute and adorable. I'm in love with it. So for today's skincare, I'm going to use the Soap and Glory facial wash, and oh my god, I am in love with this facial wash because it makes me feel so active in the morning. For my sunscreen, I'm going to use the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun sunscreen, and it is so important to apply your sunscreen even if you're at home if you want a healthy skin. And for my lip balm, I'm going to use the Nykaa lip balm, and it is so cute. It is in the shape of a macaron, and the shade is called Coconut Hazelnut. So these are my today's skincare products. So I'll be attending my online class before taking a shower. So my candle is ready, and this candle is from Bath & Body Works. This is a strawberry pound cake candle and it smells so yummy, oh my god. And then I have my class ready, and I have my diary and my pen ready to take lots and lots of notes. And oh my god, the sticker is so cute. Alright, so that's the mood for today's online class. Alright everyone, I just got my breakfast, so I'll be having some fruits and a vanilla muffin. And yeah, that's my breakfast for today. So I'm quickly going to show you my shower products, or what's in my bath products. For my shower gel, I'm going to use the Bath & Body Works Magic in the Air shower gel. And for my shampoo, I'm going to use the OGX anti-breakage shampoo, and it really works so well for my hair. And for my conditioner, I'm going to use the TRESemmé Moisture Rich Conditioner. And oh my god, if you want silky and soft hair, then buy this conditioner because this makes my hair so soft and so silky. Okay, so this outfit from Emily in Paris is my inspiration for today's outfit that I'm gonna wear. So it's basically a very cute outfit, and I have a tweed skirt, so I wanted to wear that. I don't have the same outfit obviously, but I have some similar pieces, so I'm just gonna wear something like this. And yeah, that's my outfit for today. And if you don't know who this is Emily, and it's a show on Netflix which is called Emily in Paris, and I'm obsessed with the show, so yeah. So I've been wearing this very beautiful pink denim jacket. This is something very similar to what Emily is wearing in that picture. And I'll be wearing this skirt, and it's a pink tweed skirt. It has some more colors to it, and I think it'll be going perfectly with the denim jacket. So yeah, I'm so excited to wear today's outfit. For my accessories today, I'm gonna wear these very cute Hello Kitty earrings. Oh my god, it looks so adorable. And for my bracelet, I'm gonna wear this bracelet. It has such cute charms. So it has an Eiffel Tower, and this butterfly, a bag, and a bow, and a bouquet, and it's so beautiful. So I'll be wearing this bracelet and these earrings. So I'll be carrying this sling bag from Ted Baker. It's basically a sling bag that I'm gonna carry as a purse. So yeah, that's my bag for today, and it's from Ted Baker. So this is how it looks, and Ted Baker is my absolute favorite brand, and especially the bow is so cute. So yeah, that's my bag for today. So now I'll be quickly having my lunch while doing my makeup. I'm not in a mood to apply makeup today, so I'm just gonna go with the lipstick, and the shade is called Gossip Girl, and this blush from Benefit, and my mascara from Sephora. And I am having pizzas for lunch today. Hi everyone, so I just came back home, changed to some comfy clothes, and I'm feeling much better. So I'm going to show you what all I shopped today. So the first store is Too Faced, and can you just appreciate the packaging? It looks so beautiful, oh my god. And to make it Indianized, I think they added this peacock, and it looks extremely gorgeous. So half of the things that mom and I wanted wasn't available. Like we wanted a foundation and our shades were not available, and I wanted their glosses and they were not available. I wanted their mascara, I think it's called the Odam mascara, but they only had the Better Than Sex mascara, and a lot of things that I wanted wasn't available, which was quite sad. But I think their staff was very kind and sweet, and they said that they let me know whenever things will be back in stock, so I'm waiting for that. But I still managed to buy some products, so I'm going to show you what all I got. So the first thing that I got from Too Faced is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Complexion Powder, and this is how it looks. I think the packaging is so pretty. This is how the product looks. The packaging is so beautiful. It gives a very princessy and very rich look to it, which makes it even more gorgeous. And this is the compact. I'm really very excited to try it. So the next thing that I got from Too Faced is the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and this is how it looks. And when you open it, this is how it looks. This is the mini version. I wanted to try it, that is why I've got it. And let me see how is it from inside. Oh, it has a pump. Oh, that's so good. I really like products with a pump, and I think this is such a good thing if it has a pump. So yeah, I'm happy about it, and let's see how it goes. So the last thing that I got from Too Faced is a chocolate long wear bronzer, and oh my god, can you just appreciate the packaging? It looks so cute and so classy at the same time. And when I open it, this is the matte one by the way. When you open it, this is how it looks. It looks so princessy, I'm not even kidding about it. And when you open it, this is how it looks. And it actually smells like chocolate. Oh my god, it's crazy. It smells so good, I want to eat it. Yummy. So yeah, and I tried it in the store and it was amazing. So yeah, this is going to be my go-to bronzer from now on. And yeah, so this is all I got from Too Faced. And now I'm going to show you what I got from Bath & Body Works. So the first thing that I got from Bath & Body Works is this candle, which is the rose and the vanilla candle. It it actually smells like fresh rose petals and the fragrance is very gorgeous. So yeah, I'm gonna try it and let's see how it goes. So the next thing that I got from Bath and Body Works is this very gorgeous sanitizer keychain, and it has a ring made on it. Oh god, it looks so beautiful. So if you don't know how you actually use it, you just have to take your sanitizer bottle from Bath and Body Works, just attach it to your keychain, and you can just attach this keychain to your bag and you're good to go. And it looks so pretty. It is really very convenient to use this keychain sanitizer. Yeah, so I love collecting sanitizers from Bath and Body Works, and now I've been collecting their keychains too. So yeah, and it's a transparent one. So the last thing that I got from Bath and Body Works is my favorite purchase from Bath and Body Works today, which is the vanilla buttercream hand cream, and it has sprinkles on it, and it actually smells like a vanilla muffin or a vanilla cookie. It smells so yummy. I'm gonna apply it right now. I think it's really very convenient just to keep inside your bags or for traveling. It's a really very good habit to keep moisturizing your hands and just to have soft hands. So yeah, I'm excited about it. And I hope you want to do what's in my bag video now. Lastly, I didn't plan to go to Zara, but I still went there. So I'm going to show you what all I got from Zara. So from Zara, first of all, I got two perfumes. So first is this one, and this is how it looks. Let me open it. So I just got some perfumes just to try for daily use. And oh my god, the color is beautiful. I love the packaging. Oh my god, I didn't expect this, but the packaging is so chic. Oh my god. So I'm gonna see how it smells. It smells like one of my Victoria's Secret mists. Yeah, it actually smells like one of the mists that I have from Victoria's Secret. It smells quite good. So this is the first thing that I got from Zara. Next thing that I got from Zara is this very cute Hello Kitty perfume. And I love collecting all these girly stuff. I don't know, a part of me loves to just buy very classy stuff, but a part of me also loves to buy these very cute and adorable stuff. So I got this perfume from Zara, and it actually is in the shape of a Hello Kitty. Oh my god, it looks so cute. This is so cute. And I think this will be my everyday perfume just for home. I'm gonna apply it over here. It smells okay, but the packaging is so cute, and it has Hello Kitty all over it. Okay, so the last thing that I got from Zara is a very plain and basic t-shirt, white t-shirt, but a cute one. So this is how it looks, and it has some golden prints on it. So I just wanted to buy something very casual. I got this casual t-shirt just to wear it with some denim shorts or a skirt or even leggings. So yeah, and it looks very pretty. It looks very simple and plain, but I think you can style a plain t-shirt in so many ways. So yeah, I'm gonna style it in a lot of ways, and yeah. So this is everything that I got from mall today, and now I'm gonna remove my makeup and go for a walk. So yeah, see you there. Bye. And to end this day, I grabbed a drink and had biryani for dinner.